You don't need another budget. You need to stop the leak. Right now, money is slipping through your fingers. You get paid. You breathe for 2 seconds. Then it's gone. Rent, gas, groceries. Subscriptions you forgot about. That one small swipe at the gas station. Food delivery because you're tired. Another overdraft fee. By day 10, you're counting dollars. By day 20, you're stressed. By day 28, you're praying nothing breaks. And you start thinking, why can't I get it together? Let me say this clearly. It's not a discipline problem. It's a system problem. You were never taught how to control cash flow in survival mode. When you make between $1,500 and $3,500 a month, every dollar has a job. If you don't assign it, it disappears. Today we're cutting $300. Not next month. Not someday. This week. And I'm going to show you exactly how. This is day 1 of turning $0 into $1,000. By the end of this video, you'll know where to find hidden money, how to stop the bleeding, and how to lock in your first $300 cushion. And in a few minutes, I'll show you the one expense most people ignore that quietly eats $100 a month by itself. Let's fix this. Step 1. Stop the auto leaks. Right now, open your banking app. Scroll the last 30 days. You're looking for 3 things. Subscriptions. Convenience spending. Silent fees. Example. You pay $14.99 for Netflix, $10.99 for Spotify, $12.99 for Hulu, $9.99 for Apple storage. That's almost $50. Now add 1 food delivery order a week. Let's say $25 after fees and tip. That's $100 a month. Now add 2 overdraft fees at $35 each. You're at $220 already. Common mistake? People say, it's just $10. $10 is not the problem. $10 repeated is the problem. Today, cancel at least 2 subscriptions. Not tomorrow. Today. Pause them. You can restart later. That alone can free up $30 to $60. And we're just getting started. Step 2. Cut groceries without eating worse. Groceries are sneaky. You walk in for milk. You walk out $82 lighter. Here's the reset. For the next 7 days, you are not grocery shopping the normal way. You are eating what's already in your house. Check your freezer. There's chicken in there. Rice in the cabinet. Half a bag of frozen vegetables. That random pasta box. Stretch it. Example. Chicken and rice for dinner. Leftover chicken becomes wraps tomorrow. Pasta and frozen veggies the next night. This is not forever. It's 1 week. Common mistake? I deserve better food. You do. But you deserve breathing room more. Most households can skip 1 full grocery trip and save $100 to $150 immediately. That's real money. And in a minute, I'll show you how to make sure that $150 doesn't just disappear into random spending again. Step 3. Lower 1 fixed bill. Most people think bills are non-negotiable. They're not. Pick one. Internet. Car insurance. Phone bill. Call them. Yes, call. Say this. I'm reviewing my budget and I need to lower my monthly payment. Are there any promotions, discounts, or cheaper plans available? That's it. Example. Your internet is $85. They drop it to $65 with a promo. That's $20 saved. Car insurance at $180. They review and adjust coverage or apply a discount. Now it's $155. That's $25 saved. Common mistake? People feel embarrassed. Don't. These companies expect negotiation. Even 1 bill reduced by $25 equals $300 a year. You're not asking for charity. You're asking for options. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Even if you cut $200, if you don't control the next 7 days, it leaks right back out. So step 4 is critical. Create a 7-day freeze. For 1 week. No eating out. No Amazon. No Target runs. No quick stops. Gas and essentials only. That's it. This is not punishment. This is a reset. Example. You normally grab fast food 3 times a week. $12 here. $15 there. That's $45. Gone. In 7 days, most people save $75 to $150 just by not swiping. Common mistake? Trying to do this forever. You don't need forever. You need momentum. 7 days builds control. And control builds confidence. Now let's add it up. Subscriptions cut, $50. Skipped grocery trip, $120. Lowered bill, $25. 7-day spending freeze, $100. That's $295. From actions you can start today. No side hustle. No second job. Just plugging holes. Now here's your mini win. Transfer $25 right now into a separate savings account. Even if that's all you have. Move it. Seeing money sit untouched changes your brain. It tells you, I can keep money. And that belief matters. Let me tell you something important. You are not behind. You are understructured. Nobody taught you how to manage money when you're barely making enough. You've been surviving. There's no shame in that. But survival mode can't be permanent. This $300 isn't just about money. It's about proof. Proof you can change your situation in 1 week. And once you hit $300, we're going after $1,000. But here's the catch. Cutting is step 1. Next, we increase. Because if you only cut, you'll feel restricted. In the next video, we fix income. Simple ways to bring in an extra $200 to $500 without quitting your job. This is day 1 of turning $0 into $1,000. You just stopped the leak. Next, we build the flow. Watch day 2. Let's keep going.